Our next problem is if r bar dot I bar is equal to r bar dot j bar is equal to r bar dot k bar and mod r bar is equal to 3, then find r bar. So let us take r bar as xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, now r bar dot I bar dot product will give x into I bar dot I bar, that is 1, and y into, so there is only dot I bar, so j dot I is 0, k dot I is 0, that is equal to x. Similarly r bar dot j bar is equal to, you will get y, r bar dot k bar you will get z. Okay, so now they are given as equal, implies x is equal to y is equal to z, and given mod r bar is equal to 3, mod r bar is equal to 3 implies that is root of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 3. Now squaring on both sides, you will get x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. Now x is equal to y is equal to z, you can substitute here, and this will be x square, that is 3x square is equal to 9, implies x square is equal to 3, implies x is equal to plus or minus 3, that is as y also same, z is also same, therefore r bar is equal to plus or minus, so this is root 3, so root 3 I bar plus root 3 j bar plus root 3 k bar, that is r bar. So our next problem is a bar dot I bar into I bar plus a bar dot j bar into j bar plus a bar dot k bar into k bar is equal to what? Okay, so let us take a bar is equal to xi yj zk. Now a bar dot I bar will give x, implies a bar dot I bar into I bar will give xi bar. Similarly a bar dot j bar will give y, and a bar dot j bar into j bar will give yj bar. A bar dot k bar will give z, implies a bar dot k bar into k bar will give zk bar. Now adding these three, so what you will get, a bar dot I bar into I bar, a bar dot j bar into j bar, a bar dot k bar into k bar, that is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, that is same as a bar. So next problem is ABC are 3 unit vectors such that a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0, then find a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Sorry, we need to find this value, this is not 0, find the value. Given a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0, squaring on both sides, you will get a bar square mod b bar square mod c bar square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus 2 into b bar dot c bar plus 2 into c bar dot a bar, that is equal to 0 square means 0. Now a bar, b bar, c bar unit vectors means these are modulus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here you can take 2 common, a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Implies a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. It will be minus 3. This 2 will come here, it will be by 2. So our required value is minus 3 by 2. Next problem is, if mod a bar plus mod b bar is equal to mod c bar and a bar plus b bar is equal to c bar, find the angle between a bar and b bar. So first condition, a bar mod a bar plus mod b bar is equal to mod c bar. So these are all magnitudes. So if you square on both sides, you will get mod a bar square mod b bar square 2 into mod a bar mod b bar, that is equal to mod c bar square. This is first condition. The second condition is given as a bar plus b bar is equal to c bar. Here if you square on both sides, you will get a bar mod a bar square mod b bar square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar you will get, that is equal to mod c square. So now from these two, so 2 minus 1 if you do, these two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled. 2 into a bar dot b bar minus 2 into mod a bar mod b bar is equal to 0. Therefore a bar dot b bar is equal to, you will get mod a bar mod b bar. This is dot product of two vectors, that is mod a bar mod b bar cos of the angle between a bar and b bar, that is equal to mod a bar into mod b bar. These two get cancelled. Now cos of angle between a bar comma b bar is equal to 1. Therefore a bar comma b bar is equal to what? 0 degrees. Okay, cos inverse 1 is 0 degrees. Okay, here a bar got cancelled, b bar got cancelled. Cos of a bar comma b bar is equal to 1, implies a comma b, this is angle between a bar comma b bar, that is equal to 0 degrees. Next problem, a bar b bar c bar are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude then angle between a bar comma a bar plus b bar plus c bar is. So here given a bar b bar c bar are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude. Mod a bar is equal to mod b bar is equal to mod c bar. Let us take it as some lambda. Okay, here given a bar dot b bar is equal to 0, b bar dot c bar is equal to 0, c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Why? Because they are mutually perpendicular vectors. So I can take this. Now we need to find the angle between a bar and a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So let us take a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Angle is theta. Then cos theta is equal to what? I can use dot product formula. Mod a bar, first a bar dot a bar plus b bar plus c bar by mod a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, so that is equal to, here a bar dot a bar is mod a bar square, this is a bar dot b bar, this is a bar dot c bar. Now this is mod a bar is mod a bar. Now we need mod a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, so here a bar dot b bar 0, a bar dot c bar 0. Mod a bar square will be lambda square, mod a bar is lambda, but we need the value of modulus a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So to find that, so let us whole square, let us find whole square. That will be mod a square mod b square mod c square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar. So we already have these values, a bar dot b bar 0, b bar dot c bar 0, c bar dot a bar also 0. This is lambda square lambda square lambda square plus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. This is 3 lambda square. Implies mod a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to root 3 lambda. So now you can substitute this here. Okay, this is cos theta, implies now cos theta is equal to what? This is lambda square, this is 0, this is 0 divided by this is mod a bar is lambda, and a mod a plus b plus c is root 3 lambda. A lambda square by lambda 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 square gets cancelled, implies cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3, implies theta is equal to what? Cos inverse 1 by root 3. Okay, our next problem is if a bar b bar c bar are any three non-coplanar vectors, find a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus a bar in box of a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus a bar. So this is you can directly find by using the det. So here a bar coefficient is 1, b bar coefficient is 1, there is no c bar, you can take 0. For the next b bar plus c bar, there is no a bar, you can take 0. Next b bar is coefficient 1, c bar coefficient 1. Here a bar coefficient 1, b bar, c bar coefficient is 1. So I am taking the coefficients here. So this is in terms of a bar, b bar, c bar. So you will get box of a bar, b bar, c bar. So this is formula for scalar triple product. Now find the det here. This is 1 into 1 minus 0. This is minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 1. This is determinant of box a bar, b bar, c bar. This is 1 plus 1, this is 0. That is 2 into the box a bar, b bar, c bar. Our next problem is modulus a cross b dot c bar is equal to mod a bar mod b bar mod c bar. Then find a bar dot b bar comma b bar dot c bar comma c bar dot a bar. So here given an LHS a bar cross b bar dot c bar modulus is equal to mod a bar mod b bar mod c. First dot product is there, so I can write this as mod a cross b mod c cos of the angle between a cross b comma c. that is equal to mod A mod B mod C. Here C gets cancelled. Now A cross B is there. It is mod A mod B sine of angle between A comma B into cos of angle between A cross B comma C, that is equal to mod A mod B. Here A gets cancelled, B gets cancelled. So product of these two is 1. So either sine of A comma B is equal to 1 or cos of A cross B comma C is equal to 1. Only choice is both should be 1 because these two are always less than 1. Their product 1 means they both must be 1. So that is I am taking. Here sine of A comma B 1 means A comma B is equal to 90 degrees pi by. Therefore A dot B is dot product is 0. If two vectors angle between two vectors is 90, the dot product is 0. One value I got. Next, here cos of the angle is 1. Cos of the angle is 1 means A cross B comma C bar is equal to 0 degrees, implies A cross B is parallel to C bar. So what is A cross B? A cross B is a vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. Okay, so I can write here A bar is perpendicular to C bar and B bar also perpendicular to C bar. Why? Because A cross B is parallel to C bar. Okay, so A perpendicular to C means A bar dot C bar is 0. Okay, perpendicular means angle between them is 90 degrees. Similarly, B is also perpendicular means B dot C is also 0. So I got 3 values. So our next problem is I bar cross A bar cross I bar plus J bar cross A bar cross J bar plus K bar cross A bar cross K bar is equal to. So first let us find the first one. I bar cross A cross I. So that is equal to, so here vector triple product. So what is the formula here? I dot I into A bar minus I dot A into I bar. I dot I is 1. This is A bar minus I dot A into I bar. Similarly, J cross A cross J bar. What you will get? A bar minus J dot A into J bar. Similarly, K cross A cross K bar. What you will get? A bar minus K dot A into K bar. Now adding these three, you will get I cross A cross I plus J cross A cross J plus K cross A cross K. You will get what? A bar plus A bar plus A bar, that is 3A bar minus, what is this? I bar A bar I bar plus J bar A bar J bar plus K bar A bar K bar. So how to find this value? We already calculated in the same video. Its value is A bar. Okay, how will you find that value? Let us take A bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. A bar dot I bar is equal to, you will get x, and A bar dot I bar into I bar is equal to xi bar. Similarly, A bar dot J bar into J bar is equal to yj bar. A bar dot K bar into K bar is equal to zk bar. So if you add these three, you will get again A bar only. Right now? That is sigma A bar dot I bar into I bar is equal to again A bar. So I will substitute this value here. So what you will get? 3A bar minus this is A bar, that is equal to 2 into A bar. Our required value is 2A bar. So next problem is find find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points a1 minus 1 to b2 0 minus 1 c0 to 1. So he asked us to find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane. So we have a directly formula n cap is equal to ab bar cross ac bar by mod ab bar cross ac bar. So this is the formula, plus or minus. So first you need to find ab bar. Ab bar is ob bar minus oa bar. Okay. These are points, means position vectors. So those are position vectors. So a bar is equal to I bar minus j bar plus 2k bar. OB bar is equal to 2i bar minus k bar. OC bar is equal to 2j bar plus k bar. These are position vectors. So now OB bar minus OA bar means I bar, this is plus j bar, this is minus 3k bar. Similarly AC bar let us find, that is OC bar minus OA bar, that is minus I bar plus 3j bar minus k bar. Now AB cross AC, AB bar cross AC bar is equal to, this is vector product, so we'll have to do the det. Here AB bar is I plus j minus 3k, take the quotients of I, j, k, 1, 1 minus 3. Next AC bar is minus 1, 3 minus 1. Now this is equal to I bar into minus 1 plus 9 minus j bar into minus 1 minus 3 plus k bar into 3 plus 1. This is 8 I bar plus 4j bar plus 4k bar. You can take 4 common. This is 2i bar plus j bar plus k bar. Okay, this is AB cross AC. Now what is the magnitude here? AB cross AC magnitude is 4 into root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6, 4 root 6. Therefore our required unit vector is substitute in the formula, that is plus or minus AB cross AC by mod AB bar cross AC bar. So that is plus or minus 4 into 2i bar plus j bar plus k bar by 4 root 6. Here 4 gets cancelled, so therefore required unit vector is plus or minus 2i bar plus j bar plus k bar by root 6. So that is the required unit vector.